Hello. Today I received this small self-centering vise for my homemade 5-axis machine, which I got out of eBay. As I couldn't find any review of these 5-axis vices that are sold on eBay on YouTube, I decided to make one. The first impression is good for the price. The dimensions of this vise are 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters. This is the smallest version of this vise. There are other sizes model. This model is DJ-6080. The total weight of this vise is little over 1 kilogram. I can't really tell how this vise will perform until I try it on my machine. As I said, first look is good. The jaws can hold 36 mm with internal jaws and 58 mm if you turn the jaws and use it as external. What is also good with this vise, there is a thread on the side of the jaws which you can use for the vise stop. So if you want a job that needs repeatability, the vise stop will help you with that. For this vise you will need a 10 mm wrench or the Allen key, which is not provided in the package. What is provided is this. You have 4 mounting screws and those 2 pins, which I believe are used if you want to have the repeatability on your mounting plate. So when you remove the vise from the mounting plate, it can be placed again in the same spot. They can be placed like this also. There is no play in it. Okay, so what are the negative sides of this vise, which I think are not small? The negative sides are when I try to use this vise as for maximum capacity, when I try to turn those jaws, use it as external, I couldn't do it. Those jaws are so tight on this channel that I can't really remove them and turn them to use that maximum capacity. I must try to fix that problem in the future. If you guys have any idea how should I do it and what should I look, I believe those channels are small and that's why I can't remove those jaws, but I'm not sure yet. So if you have any idea, leave below in the comment. It would be much appreciated. What is also negative side with this vise is the amount of play in this thread. Look how much play there is, and the jaws are not moving. And also it's pretty much hard to move those jaws, but I believe that is because the jaws are so tight on those channels. So yes, that should be fixed. Here is the vise in my machine table. The idea I have is that I'm going to remove this table and I'm going to use it only for the 3-axis operation. And I'm going to make another separate back plate special design for this vise. That way I should remove the weight and also the possibility of the conflict with this table and the spindle. The mounting plate I'm going to design in the Fusion 360 and I'm going to machine it on this machine. In some of the future videos, so subscribe to my channel if you want to see what is next, and thank you for watching.